Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be removing the transmission from the MX-5. So the first thing I highly suggest, and I do have, will have it, is have yourself a checklist that you could go. One of the thing I did was utilized the 6-ton jack stands. If you don't have it, easily move out the. This allows me easily to pull the transmission out right underneath it. So to give you an idea how much clearance we got, we're gonna get a measuring tape. So right here, we got about almost fully 22 inches off the ground, a little bit of space. This just needs 21 inches clearance to be able to get it out. So first we're going to remove the bolts on the X brace. You got the X, 4 bolts. These are 14, I think.
Oh, yeah. That seems right.
Yeah. One. And then I think. All right.
Oh, it's not that bad.
Just to making sure it works.
But where's the drain?
Plug is right here.
Oh, shoot. It's better.
Yeah, just so you just help us know. Oh.
It's pretty clean.
Yeah, actually.
Yeah.
But now there's something.
Oh, it's got all that gunk.
Yeah, got a little bit of gunk. So let's take a look. Clearing this up, and next we'll be removing the exhaust. Got it. Press. You can tap it and it'll get. So we could just. Yeah. It is. It's just as long as if you tap it, so you can see it better. Okay, so we got
That's
one.
A nice tool.
Yeah. $20.
Rubber free.
No. Amazon. This one, let's see if we can get it in here.
That's the universal.
Yeah.
This looks very universal.
Oh yeah. This one, I'm not peeing the back. That's like, it's here, no. Let me get that. Oh, this is gonna be dangerous a little bit. You ready? Gonna unbuckle here. It's gonna drop. Yeah, you got it. Oh. Oh, if I could pinch my nail. If you can. And let's see. Slowly. Yeah. I gotta put this back. Just so I could just wipe it. Gotta remove this guy.
I think I could get in.
We could try. We got 2 screws here. One. Yeah. Okay. Hold it so like there's a screw here if you can see it. One's there. Second one's here. And then you kind of gotta do like a weird. There's supposed to be, yeah, right here. There's a third one here. We're gonna go put this up. Yeah, this kind of comes out, and gotta get that out. We got that. Should now just pop off. Just make sure you take this out. Yeah, you hear something. Something's. The plugs. Where are the plugs? There's. Here we go. There's like a.
Okay, sure.
Yeah, there's a Yeah. Slowly.
Okay.
No, this has been removed now.
This has been removed?
Yeah. I believe he put a short shift.
Your friend actually worked on it?
Yeah, he put a short shift in. I don't know. Correctly. Let's not watch it because there's a cable here. Sensor. Where I put the bolt. Alright, let's take a look at this. Well, zip tie bag. Hold on. Yeah. I just wanna get a little back issue. What is this? Okay.
Wow, look at that. That's another layer.
Now the alarm is supposed to be. There we go. Another layer. And then now this is supposed to be 10 mil. Alright. I guess 9 mil is. You might have put different bolts in. The factory's supposed to be 9 mil. The factory's supposed to be 10 mil. In this case, we put 9 mil. And then there we go. That's it. Everything's removed. We got the shifter.
Yep. This is ready to smell.
Looks pretty clean in there. So there we go. So now let's see. Does this spin? Okay, perfect. It spins loose. What we gotta do is get some. Oh, I gotta get some gloves. But the first thing, gotta kind of earth mark this right here. This should work. Let's see. Oh, oh, this is tight, yeah. Let's see. Oh, this is stuck. Let's see if we can break it. It should be able to. That's off. Oh, gotta get this. Right up. Maybe not.
Yeah, actually. That doesn't look like it's 14.
You could try. Well, the other side's 14, so you could try bringing it 13. Oh, got it. Yeah, using the leverage of the bar. Alright, let's just keep them loose for now. Next one. Put that 2x4 now in there, and just put it in with some room. There you go. See? Yeah, it is. It's flexible. It's not an issue. It just keeps it nice, and I'm gonna remove the other socket. Oh, here. Why don't you remove it? Good. So that's just good. Put bolts back in. And so the sensors are up on there. So we're going to try to lower this a little bit to get access to it. But first we're going to brake. So there should be, well, I think there should be a bolt right here. This is where you want to get access to. So you come from the engine side. Normally there's a little plate here, but that's obviously gone. And then there's 2 bolts from each side, one here, one here. We're gonna brake. I don't know if the camera can pick it up. There's a bolt right here. My finger is pointing. There it is. There's a bolt there. One bolt right here, and another bolt right there. So we're gonna. We should be up 14. Yeah, there we go. Got 14. And here. Yeah, perfect. Oh. There's a few. So we got 2 here at the bottom. And there should be 2 here. We got this interesting brace. You see?
You have to take the transmission out.
Cool.
That?
Well. This socket is not very good. Go this way. Okay, go. No?
What's that?
Perfect.
All right. Yeah, sit right, stand there.
Oh no. Good. Looks like this.
Plugs damaged?
No.
We're okay with that.